The Property Circle was created 12 months ago, and the community that we have created is something special. This video is a review of the past 12 months and how we have created a life-changing property business. Never been done before. It will be the biggest networking event. Quick one, easy, just 15 minutes. That's it, it's a wrap. Let me take you back to March 2021 when it all started. The reason we started the Property Circle was because we saw a gap in the market for education to be taught correctly. There was a lot of educators out there ripping people off, and we came together and we devised a plan and a strategy to create the perfect masterclass that could be broken down into very simple steps for people who are just getting into property, all the way to experienced people. And the feedback that we had from the first masterclass was absolutely incredible.
The best thing about today was that it was authentic.
They're not trying to hide anything, they show the bad, they show the good, and just give you that information.
I've really enjoyed it here, it's been brilliant, and I recommend it to anyone to come do this.
So going into April, we started our very own YouTube channel, and we were still doing our masterclasses with great success, and we had to hire a full-time content creator. This is where Duna came into the picture.
3, 2, 1,
so moving into May, and the masterclasses were getting bigger and bigger and bigger. They were selling out. I shot my own podcast and put my face to the camera to explain to everybody who I was, what my past was, and why I started TPC. And also in May was a very huge achievement for me. I bought my first Ferrari. Moving into June, and we did our first ever live networking event, and this is where we really saw what we had with the Property Circle. Our YouTube started to grow and we hit 1,000 subscribers, and we opened up our in-house mortgage division, all while the Property Circle continued to grow. Moving into July, and summer now is in full flow. We started a podcast channel, and our first guest was Lawton Hotwood and Justin Wilkins. We also threw our second networking event, which doubled in size and was a huge success. In August, we gave away a car to one lucky winner. We wanted to give back to our supporters and subscribers. We also started the 100k to 1 million series, which is still ongoing today, and we have amassed over 20,000 views on those videos so far. And then we started TPC tours, which have been a huge success, where we take 15 people around the UK with us, showing them our properties and what we actually do day to day. We kicked September off by releasing a video which was my story. It gave people an insight into who I am and where I'm from. It was an intense video to shoot because it brought back a lot of memories, but people got to see who I was. We also shot a video called The Day in the Life, which at the moment has around 15,000 views on it. That was one of my favourite videos we've done so far. This was the month we also held our third networking event, which was bigger than the first two, and it was a huge success. Into October, which is my birthday month, and the YouTube channel is starting to grow. We're starting to gain momentum. We're putting more and more content out. And also, one of our TPC members, we sourced him his first house earlier on in the year. We actually sourced him his second house in this month. What's your first impressions, mate? It's the first time you've been here.
Really happy with it. Like, can't wait to get started, and I think it's going to be a really good project.
November was the month that the weeklies began, and what a success Steve's weekly has been. Phil has worked his magic consistently up until today to make sure that the weekly is out every Sunday at 10 AM. We also took some time to basically strategize the business and get ready for the new year. Now we're on to December, and it was time to knuckle down and actually make the Property Circle what it is. We grew it, we had more members, the masterclasses got bigger, and we had our biggest networking event to date. It was also a special month because Duna got his first property. Today's video is one of my favourite videos we're ever going to do because it is Duna's personal house. January 2022, it was time to get back to work. New year, same ambitions, same goals, just bigger dreams. The property sourcing division was launched, which is turning out to be a huge success. Weekly, season 2, episode 1 kicked off. We basically picked up from where we left off last season, but with way more content to put into each episode. And also, episode 1 of the blueprint started, which has turned out to be an absolutely massive success. February was the month that me and Isabella sat down and decided that we wanted to take the property circle to the next level. We decided we wanted to move to Birmingham city centre. We decided we wanted to be on Colmore Road. It's the best street in the entire city, so it's where we felt that the business needed to be. We also did our first stage talking live network event, and this is where we really understood what we had and how special the property circle is.
Welcome back to another video.
Come on, let's go. Guys, nah. Okay, go then. There you go. Get the show on the road.
Duna, you've got to hold on to it and I can lift you up in the air.
Definitely 100%. Just hang to that out. It's definitely the one. We are who we are. It's a year old. We're huge already. You watch what we do in the next 2 years. It's been a long road, and the property circle's been around for 12 months, but we have been doing property for a lot longer than that. The journey that we have come on to get to where we are today wasn't documented at the beginning, but the last 12 months from the foundations of the property circle have. To create what we've created, I am extremely proud, and I'm extremely proud of the people that I have around me. We have my Isabella, we have Duna, we have Ams, we have Phil, we have a number of other people. We have our newest member, our COO, Tom Warrilow, and I am extremely excited to see what the future holds for the property circle. To me, this is just the beginning, and what we have planned is completely different to what anybody in this sector has ever done before. So stay tuned and let's see what the future holds.